Welcome to this video on the power of tiny habits for bigger results. When it comes to achieving our goals, it can be overwhelming to think about all the changes we need to make. But what if we could break those changes into tiny manageable habits? In this video, we will discuss how small habits can lead to big results and provide practical tips to help you implement them in your life. Tip 1. Start small. The key to creating tiny habits is to start small. Instead of trying to change everything at once, focus on one small habit at a time. For example, if you want to start exercising, start by doing just 5 minutes exercise every day. This small habit is more achievable and less intimidating than committing to full workout. Tip 2. Attach the habit to an existing routine. Attaching a new habit to an existing routine can help make it stick. For example, if you want to start flossing your teeth, attach it to brushing your teeth. Flossing after brushing will become a natural part of your routine, and you are more likely to stick with it. Tip 3. Celebrate your successes. Celebrate your successes no matter how small them. This positive reinforcement can help you stay motivated and make your tiny habits stick. Celebrate with something that brings you joy, such as listening to your favorite song or treating yourself to a healthy snack. Tip 4. Use positive self-talk. Positive self-talk can help you stay motivated and overcome obstacles. When you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, reframe them in a positive light. For example, instead of saying I cannot do this, say I am capable of achieving my goals, one tiny habit at a time. Tip 5. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to developing new habits. Stick with your tiny habits every day, even if you don't feel like it. Over time, these habits will become automatic, and you will start to see bigger results. In conclusion, the power of tiny habits can have a significant impact on achieving bigger results. Hope these simple yet effective tips helps you create long-lasting habits and achieve your goals.